Winnipeg is a city that has a lot of potential for improving active transportation, which is any form of human-powered transportation, such as walking, cycling, or rollerblading. Active transportation has many benefits for the health, environment, and economy of the city and its residents. However, Winnipeg also faces many challenges and barriers that prevent more people from choosing active transportation as a mode of travel. One of the main challenges is the lack of adequate funding for active transportation infrastructure and programs. According to Bike Winnipeg, an advocacy group for cyclists, the city spends only about 1.5% of its transportation budget on active transportation. This is far below the recommended 15% by the Canadian Institute of Transportation Engineers. As a result, many active transportation routes are poorly maintained, disconnected, or unsafe for users. Another challenge is the lack of long-term planning and vision for active transportation in the city. While the city has adopted some plans and policies to support active transportation, such as the pedestrian and cycling strategies and the Center Plan 2050, they are often not implemented or followed through. For example, the Center Plan 2050 only proposes 6 new bike lanes for downtown, which are not well connected to each other or to other parts of the city. Moreover, the city does not have a clear strategy to measure and monitor the progress and impact of its active transportation initiatives. A third challenge is the lack of promotion and education for active transportation in the city. Many people are not aware of the benefits of active transportation, such as improved physical and mental health, reduced greenhouse gas emissions, and cost savings. Moreover, many people are not familiar with the existing active transportation network or how to use it safely and comfortably. The city does not have a comprehensive program to encourage and support people to try active transportation, such as providing incentives, information, or training. Despite these challenges, Winnipeg also has many opportunities to improve its active transportation situation. One of them is to increase the funding and allocation for active transportation projects and programs. This could be done by reallocating some of the funds from road expansion projects, such as Route 90, or by seeking partnerships and grants from other levels of government or private sector. Increasing the funding would allow the city to build more and better active transportation infrastructure, such as separated bike lanes, sidewalks, crosswalks, and bridges. Another opportunity is to develop a more integrated and holistic approach to planning and designing active transportation in the city. This could be done by involving more stakeholders and experts in the decision-making process, such as community groups, businesses, schools, and health organizations. It could also be done by adopting best practices and standards from other cities that have successfully implemented active transportation strategies, such as Vancouver or Montreal. Developing a more integrated approach would ensure that active transportation is considered as a key component of the city's overall transportation system and urban development. A third opportunity is to enhance the promotion and education of active transportation in the city. This could be done by creating more campaigns and events to raise awareness and interest in active transportation among different groups of people, such as children, seniors, newcomers, or low-income residents. It could also be done by providing more resources and support for people who want to start or continue using active transportation, such as maps, guides, tips, or workshops. Enhancing the promotion and education of active transportation would help to create a more positive and supportive culture for active transportation in the city. In conclusion, Winnipeg has a lot of room for improvement when it comes to active transportation. The city faces many challenges that hinder its development and adoption among its residents. However, the city also has many opportunities to overcome these challenges and create a more connected and accessible active transportation network that benefits everyone. By increasing funding, planning better, and promoting more actively for active transportation in Winnipeg, we can make our city a healthier, greener, and happier place to live.